Want to receive your paycheck directly into your Bank of America account? Here's how to set up direct deposit using the IPE, step by step. First, check if your employer offers an online payroll portal. Many companies let you set up direct deposit digitally by entering your bank details. If not, you'll need to fill out a direct deposit authorization form and give it to your payroll department. To make things easier, you can download a pre-filled form directly from the Bank of America app. Open the Bank of America app on your phone and log in. Tap the menu icon in the top left, then go to Account Details. Here, you'll find two things you'll need: your account number and your routing number, ABA. Write these down or tap Download Direct Deposit Form. The app will generate a PDF with your account info filled in automatically. You'll also need your employer's name and full address to complete the form. Once filled, submit it to your employer's HR or payroll office. That's it. Once your company processes it, your paycheck will go straight to your Bank of America account, usually by the next pay cycle. Follow for more helpful banking tips, and let me know if you want a walkthrough on setting up mobile check deposit next.